Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun unboxing video for you guys. I feel like most people already know what FabFitFun is, but if you don't know what it is, it's a subscription box company. They do it quarterly, so it comes 4 times a year, and their thing is it's normally $50 a box, but you get like over $200 worth of product in each box. Everything is full-size products, which I personally love. And I've seen these boxes throughout the years. I've seen what's in them, and I've always thought, wow, that's like a really good deal. But this is the first time I've actually pulled the trigger and bought one, because this summer box, I just could not resist. It is so good. So I bought this one, and the best part is your first box you can get it for $10 off. So I really only paid $40 for this box, which is crazy because of all the awesome things that are in this box. So if you've never tried this before, but I've always kind of wanted to, and think this box looks great, I'll leave a link down below that if you sign up with that link, then you'll get $10 off too, making this only $40, which is such a good deal. Okay, so there are some things that everybody gets in their boxes no matter what, but then there's other things where it's like you'll either get this product or you'll get this product. And I know on your account online, depending on what subscription you have, you can customize it somewhat. Like you can pick, oh, I want this one instead of this one. I personally could only pick, I think, a couple of them, and then the rest was just like luck of the draw. But honestly, if I could have picked every single thing in this box, this is the exact box I would have picked. So I am so excited because this is seriously the exact box I would have picked, all the products. So it comes with this magazine that tells all about the different products and different ways to use it and blah, 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 blah. It's actually super helpful. So I'm just going to kind of have this to the side of me just so that I remember what everything is. Okay, so I'm going to start with the thing that made me buy this box in the first place. There's Tarte products in this box. There's 2 different ones, and this is one where you'll either get this one or you'll get another one. And this one I didn't get to pick, I couldn't pick, but I am so happy this is the one that came in my box, because I've been eyeing this product for a long time, but I've never pulled the trigger on it because this baby is $45, which, you know, is kind of expensive. So this is the Tarte Pro Glow palette, so it's a highlight and contour palette. And I seriously have been wanting this so badly. Normally $45. Like I said, I got the whole box for $40. So I was already saving $5 by buying this whole box instead of just buying this. It's so good, guys. So yeah, this is what made me buy the box in the first place, because I knew this would be in it. So I'm just really happy this is the one that was in the box. The other one is also really good. It's also a palette. It's an eyeshadow palette and a liquid eyeliner, I think, is the other thing that you would get instead of this, which is also really great, but I just don't wear eyeliner, and I already have enough eyeshadow, but I didn't have this, and I wanted this so bad. So I'm just going to show you this really fast because it's beautiful. It feels so nice and expensive. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It opens up like this, little magnetics on the inside. It's so beautiful. I have this still on it, but I actually did use it today. I did my makeup with this today, so I don't know if it looks any different from what I usually use, but I love this so much. So it comes with different highlighters and different contour shades and what's the word? Formulas. We'll go with formulas. Different formulas. So this is like a really nice creamy formula. This brown, and then this sculpt is more of a powder. But they're beautiful, beautiful colors. And then these top 4 are all like shimmery, shiny highlighters. So yeah, it's super lovely. I love this so much. So yeah, this is what made me buy it in the first place. I love Tarte products. I love that this is in the box. And yeah, this is my fave. Second thing in the box. This one I did get to pick, and it's all messed up because I've already used it. So for this one, you could either get a towel or like a, what do they call it? A makeup train case. And the train cases are super cute, but I just like didn't need one because I don't have that much makeup to begin with, and I just don't like carry it in a train case. So I opted for the towel because it's summer and you always need a good beach towel. We live right by the beach. We haven't gone yet, but we do live right by the beach. So we need to go, but we have used this at the pool so far. And it's just a nice, cute pineapple towel. It's like pretty light, which I kind of like, that it's not like super huge and bulky to go into like a beach bag. So yeah, I just got a nice towel. This was like a nice plus. I think it says it retails for $55. Why it's so expensive, I don't know. I wouldn't buy this for $55, but it came in the box, and yeah, it's just a great towel. So got a cute little pineapple towel. Okay, next thing in the box, which this is one I didn't get to pick, but I'm glad this is what came in the box. I haven't used it yet, but I am excited to use it. This is just a sports resistance band. And in this pamphlet, and I think like on FabFitFun.com or yeah, just their website, I think they show different workouts that you can use this for. So this is great and fun. I don't have one of these, and it's summer, so get your workout on. So yeah, I thought this was just fun. FabFit, this is the fit part of the fun box. So yeah, I thought this was just a good little addition. Okay, the next thing, I'm pretty sure this one comes in every single box. This is Pier 1 Imports, and it's just a cute little marble trinket dish, which is just cute to go in your bathroom or on your nightstand or anywhere. Hold your little jewelry or whatever you want to put in it, but it's just cute and dainty, marbled with gold detailing. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, this is another one that I got to pick out of all my options. The other one was intriguing as well. The other one was Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. But I guess it's just like a body treatment that exfoliates and conditions and whatever you put it on your skin. That was intriguing, but I thought I would like this one better. This is the Aromatherapy Associates London De-Stress Muscle Gel. So both Ryan and I are pretty active. We work out pretty much every day, so we are frequently sore and give each other massages. And so I'm super excited to try this with him because this is supposed to be just a good muscle gel, focusing and soothing gel. We haven't used it yet, so I can't tell you how well it works, though I am sore right now from yesterday's workout, so maybe I'll try this tonight. But it smells so good. It smells super essential oily, which I feel like is a good sign because that already makes me feel like it's gonna do something good. So I'm excited to try this. I feel like you'll get a lot of use out of that. Okay, so the next thing is a papaya enzyme peel. So I'm super excited to try this. I don't have anything like it, but yeah, it says apply for 10 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. So hopefully this doesn't like make my skin break out because my skin is super sensitive. I haven't tried it yet. Oh, it smells really good though. It smells yummy. So yeah, I'll have to try this out. But I think the other thing, if you don't get this one, you'll get a hair protectant treatment spray, which is also great. I have one of those, so I wasn't that bummed that I didn't get that. But I don't have anything like this. So this will be fun to try. Okay, there's 2 more things in the box. I'm really excited about this. This is Coola. This is a sunscreen, and I've actually tried Coola before, and I really liked their sunscreen. It's super, it's almost like silky. It's super smooth. So this is a full-sized face sunscreen, SPF 50, which is awesome because skincare is something that I need to do better on. I need to find just like a good moisturizer that has sunscreen in it just for like everyday wear. So if you have a favorite one of those, please leave it down in the comments because I really want to find one, because right now I'm not wearing anything on my face moisturizer wise, which I know is bad and I know I need to fix that. But anyway, Coola sunscreen, love it. I've used it before. And yeah, I'm excited that I now have a full-sized, yeah, it's just so nice. It's just like so light and not sticky, and it smells really good. So yeah, I really like this brand. So yeah, nice, good sized face sunscreen. Okay, and the last thing in the box is so good. Like, I bought the box mainly for the Tarte product, but then when I saw this was in there, it was like, okay, that's like super cool. So this is a Foreo, is that how you say it? Foreo? I don't know. It's one of these guys. It is a smart face washer. And I wanted to try this out for you guys just to like see how it works. So I actually filmed a little clip of me trying this for the first time that I will insert right now. Hi, welcome to my bathroom. I'm still in my pajamas, no makeup on, fresh face because I wanted to try out this bad boy with you guys today. So I already downloaded the app, and let me just connect it really fast. You connect it through Bluetooth, and I've actually already had it analyze my face. Oh, you have your horsey? Hallie's in the background. So you like fill out a questionnaire about your skin, and then you hold, there's 2 little sensors. There's 2 little sensors on the back, and it like prompts you to hold them to different parts of your face, and it like measures the moisture and just kind of analyzes your skin. Hi. You have your bone? Okay. And then it like tells you what your skin age is and kind of formulates a plan for you to follow to wash your face. Hi, honey. Yeah, I see it. Are you playing with your clothes? So I was super surprised by my results. I do not take good care of my skin, and I know that, and I know I need to work on it. So that's like one reason why I was so excited this was in the box, because I need this. So I was positive my skin age would be like way higher than I actually am. It says my skin age is 27. I'm 25, so that's not far off, and I'm super proud of that actually. But it does say that all my moisture levels are low, which is true. I don't drink nearly enough water. Hi, are you saying hi? So I know I need to drink more water, and then it also says that my skin is sensitive, which I already knew that too, so it gives kind of a recommendation for that. So I'm going to just show if it's not too bright. You can kind of see it there. I don't know why it's so bright. Hi, Hallie. But it like shows all the different parts of your face, and this says low on all of mine because I need to do better at that. So I haven't washed my face yet because I wanted to do that on camera. So I'm going to click the cleanse button, and it just kind of directs you where to clean your face. So I'm just going to wet my face, put a little bit of sensitive cleaner on it because I do have sensitive skin, and then see how it goes. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. overview, if you didn't like get the gist of that video, basically you connect it to your phone, you put the sensors on your cheeks and it like measures your moisture levels, and then it like formulates a skincare routine for you. I don't know if it adjusts like the vibrating speed depending on what it read for your face. I don't really know all the science behind it, but it's pretty cool. So I really like how it worked face-wise. I don't have anything like this. I think I had like one of the Clarisonic something or another's years and years and years ago, but I didn't really use it. So I know this is like way better for my face than just washing my face with my hands, which is what I have been doing. So I've only used it for a day and a half, and just like after I washed my face that first time, it felt so smooth. Like it just felt really good. And the shape of this I thought was kind of interesting because it's kind of a circle, but it really does a really good job at like getting every angle of your face, which is really nice. I like that it's just so little that you can bring it anywhere with you. It washes off easily. Soft little silicone, what are these called? I don't know. Little silicone things that's really soft and gentle on your face, which is great. Yeah, I really like this. And I think it retails for $89. $89! And I got the box for $40. How crazy is that? It's seriously like, this is pretty cool. This is really cool. So yeah, I'm just like, this is why I bought this box. Like, it's just so good. So yeah, that's everything that I had in my box. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below that if you've never tried this out, but you think, oh yeah, that's like a really good box, I want to try it. Go ahead, use that link, you'll get $10 off. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to show with you guys all these fun things because I thought it was really awesome and it really felt like Christmas in the middle of June. It's June. Yeah, it's June. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.